Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert watermark in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Page Elements. Now you need to click here on Watermark Settings, and then this window should be successfully displayed on the right side. You can select here Image as a watermark, or you can go to Text Settings and insert text as watermark. So for example, I click here and I type here Master of Tutorials. After that, it will be successfully added to our document, but remember that you can always edit formatting settings of this watermark. You can change the font, for example, I'm going to select here Georgia. You can add effects to this text, for example, bold it if you want. You can modify transparency level, everything depends on your preferences. I recommend you to set it on 0, and you can modify the position. On default it is set to diagonal, but you can change it to horizontal if you want. I recommend you to not change these settings and set it on diagonal on default. And here you have placement settings. You can set it as behind text or in front of text, everything depends on your preferences. If you are sure that you want to insert it, you need to click Done button, and how you see it has been successfully inserted in our document. So it is how it works. If I helped you to insert watermark in Google Docs, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.